If you've ever been around anyone who's choking on food, kids choking on toys or anything, even your animals, it's the scariest thing that you've ever experienced in your life probably. And in that moment, some of us feel totally helpless, right? That's why I'm recommending this product. The link is in the description below, and it's called the LifeVac. You see this plunger-like device? This device could literally be the difference between life and death for you or someone in your family. How it works is it comes with a mask, right? You simply put the mask on it like this, right, guys? Simple. And your nose and mouth go in this area, the person choking, and you simply put it over their face, form a seal with this cushion, and you press it in and pull it back. That pulling back actually creates a vacuum that'll remove anything lodged in their throat, in their windpipe. I'm talking food, toys, whatever, because you might have kids. And for the kids, they actually have a smaller mask. See, this one's a lot smaller than the other one. But either one, I think, would work. This thing's got such a cushioning around it that in a gym, I'm sure it would still work. And then it comes with an extra adult-sized mask. I highly recommend this product. They give you everything you need. Look, here's instructions on how to use it, detailed. There's videos on how to use it. There's practice instructions for the extra mask they give you. Pick this up. The link is in the description below. If you don't use my link, I don't care. Just pick it up anyway. Everyone should have this, just like you should have a fire extinguisher in your house. And what I recommend you do is you keep it in the same exact spot at all times. So in that crazy moment where someone's choking, you don't have to think about where it is. The only reason I moved this for 1 minute to make this video was because no one's home right now. I still wouldn't even have moved it for that short of a time.